Section 3. Please take out your Sounds Book 3 and go to page 3. I want you to trace over all the vowels with a red crayon. Then you are going to cut out the page and cut out all the vowels into squares. You can ask someone to help you. This is what it will look like. Now I want you to go to page 5 in your book. Cut out that page and cut out all the consonants into blocks. This is what it should look like. Now keep all your consonants and vowels that you have cut out in a little box or a bank bag. Now go to classroom 3, section 4.